Student exercise 2C, question number 1, fill in the blanks. 8 multiplied by 0 is equal to dash. When we multiply any number with 0, answer is 0. 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to dash multiplied by 2 is equal to dash. 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6 and 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. When we change their order, answer remains the same, that is 6. 2 multiplied by 3 and 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. 18 multiplied by 5 is equal to dash. Look at this 18 multiplied by 5. 5 8s are 40. So we write 0 here and 4 will be carried over here. Now 5 1s are 5 and 5 plus 1 is 4. So the answer is 90. Answer is 90. Dash multiplied by 4 is equal to 40. 4 multiplied by 10 is equal to 40. 4 10s are 40. Dash multiplied by 15 is equal to 0. Answer is 0. It means we multiply 15 with 0. When we multiply any number with 0, answer is 0. Next question number 2, state whether the following are true or false. When a number is multiplied by 10, the number itself shifts one column to the left. Yes, it is true. Look at this. When we multiply any number with 10, number itself shifts one column to the left and 0 is added into the right side. So 16 multiplied by 10 is equal to 160. Next we have 30 multiplied by 10 is equal to 3010. It is false. When we multiply 30 with 10, answer is 300, not 3010. It is false. 12 multiplied by 20 is equal to 240. Yes, it is true. 12 2s are 24 and 1 0 is added. So answer is 240. It is true. Next is 13 multiplied by 6 is equal to 6 multiplied by 13. Yes, it is also true. When we change their order, answer remains the same. 13 multiplied by 6 and 6 multiplied by 13. Answer remains the same. It is true. The product is the result of addition of two or more numbers. It is false. The product is the result of multiplication of two or more numbers, not addition of. So it is false. Next we have question number 3. Select the correct answer from the given options. 8 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 0 is equal to, as you know, when we multiply any number with 0, answer is 0. So correct option is C. 20 multiplied by 100 is equal to, it is 22,000. It is 20 multiplied by 100 is equal to 2000. 5 multiplied by 30 is equal to 5 multiplied by 30. 5 0 0 and 5 3s are 15. So the answer is 150. Correct option is D, 150. Next we have 10 multiplied by dash is equal to 870. Answer is 870. It means we multiply 10 with 87. So answer is 870. Correct option is C part, 87. 63 multiplied by 5 is equal to 63 multiplied by 5. Look at this. 5 3s are 15. We write 5 here. 1 will be carried over here. Now 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 1 is 31. So the answer is 315. Answer is 315. Next we have question number 5. Fill in the blanks. 96 multiplied by dash is equal to 960. It means we multiply 96 with 10. So it becomes 960. 96 10s are 960. 10 multiplied by dash is equal to 520. Here we have answer 520. It means we multiply 10 with 52. 48 multiplied by 10 is 480. 48 10s are 480. 35 10s are 350. 10 multiplied by dash is equal to 630. Here we have number 630. It means we multiply 10 with 63. Next we have 10 multiplied by dash is equal to 160. 10 multiplied by 16. Because we have answer 160, it means we multiply 10 with 16. 89 multiplied by 10 is equal to 890. 89 multiplied by 10. 89 10s are 890. 10 multiplied by 95 is equal to 950. 10 multiplied by 8 is equal to 80. 10 8s are 80. 10 7s are 70. 27 multiplied by 10 is equal to 270. 73 multiplied by 10 is equal to 730. Next question number 6. Find the product. 6 multiplied by 100 is equal to, it is 600. 21 multiplied by 100 is equal to 2100. 94 multiplied by 100 is equal to 9500. 100 multiplied by 87. It means answer is 8700. 29 multiplied by 100 is equal to 2900. 100 multiplied by 76 is 7600. 10 multiplied by 100 is equal to 1000. 35 multiplied by 100 is equal to 3500. 87 multiplied by 100 is equal to 8700. 11 multiplied by 100 is equal to 1100. 42 multiplied by 100 is equal to 4200. 15 multiplied by 100 is equal to 1500.